Okay, they tell me there is a bird in this room and they want to see if I can open the windows. Oh Lord, I don't see anything. And one thing I did not happen to mention to them is I do not like fluttering around my head. So I'm hoping I don't get any surprises. Oh shit. There we go. Now hopefully we're not just letting birds in. Yeah, that's water damage. I'm not going to try that. There happens to be ceiling damage in this room, so I'm guessing he might be up there because I'm not seeing anything. That's good news, though. I do not want a bird flapping around my head. And there's flies in here, and it's February, just turned March 1st. Okay. And that one won't open. I'm not going to try. Well, looks like we are free of birds. Other problems, but free of birds. And if he is in here sleeping, then he'll get out of one of our windows here.